Hey there, this is Josh from Clerk Chat. Let me show you how our Salesforce integration takes your efficiency to the next level. First, let's head onto the Settings tab, click on Integration, and connect Salesforce CRM. If these three icons pop up, it means that you're ready to go. Contacts from Salesforce are automatically synced with Clerk Chat every 5 minutes, but you can also do it manually by clicking on this icon. Let's create a new contact in Salesforce. Now, when we go back to Clerk Chat and click on Sync, the new contact will appear in the Contacts section. And it's not just the numbers. Clerk Chat also brings in all the properties associated with each of them. You can select what properties you want to sync if you click on the gear icon. Now, you can send messages to any of your Salesforce contacts, filter them by unique properties, and even create lists and segment your audience. But that's not even everything. When we send messages in Clerk Chat, if we go to Salesforce, you can see that they will automatically appear as individual SMS. This is how Clerk Chat helps you have everything organized.